Here's the one thing you need to know before buying the Carepod One. It's the easiest humidifier I've ever cleaned, seriously. If you've ever hated scrubbing moldy parts, this might be the one that finally fixes that problem. It's perfect for families who want a truly clean, low-maintenance humidifier, especially if you have babies, allergy-sensitive kids, or dry winter air. If you hate cleaning filters or dealing with crusty plastic, this is made for you. Right out of the box, the Carepod One feels so premium. You've got a full stainless steel water tank, only 3 main pieces to wash, no filters, no tiny crevices or complicated assemblies. It's heavier than a normal humidifier, but that stainless steel build instantly gives off "this is going to last" vibe. I tested this in a large bedroom for a full week during the peak dry weather. Here's what stood out to me. The setup is so simple. You fill the tank, you drop it in place, you hit the power button. Mist output is strong and clean. The cool mist feels super fine, less drippy than cheaper humidifiers. And the biggest win of all, cleaning. All you do is you remove the stainless steel bowl, you wipe it out, and you rinse it. That's it. No filters, no tiny parts, no moldy plastic smell that you get with humidifiers that have 40 components. It has a quiet operation. This thing is barely noticeable on low and still calm on medium. It's got a long runtime. There's a 1-gallon tank and it lasts the entire night plus morning without refilling. It's baby safe. There's no heating element, nothing that gets hot. It's allergy friendly. Because you can actually clean all surfaces, you won't end up with blowing bacteria into the room like some cheaper models do. 3 things that I loved about the Carepod. The stainless steel reservoir, it's hygienic, durable, and doesn't retain odors. Huge upgrade from all of the plastic tanks that I've ultimately ditched shortly after purchasing because of it. There's only 3 washable parts. I cannot emphasize enough what a game changer this is. It kills 99% of the maintenance headache. The overall air quality difference. The room genuinely felt fresher and more balanced, not just wet. The mist coverage is even and also consistent. 2 things that I did not love. Of course, gotta talk about the price. You're getting what you pay for. You're paying for that stainless steel and premium engineering. Some buyers may not need that level of quality. But for our family, it is exactly what we needed because I have wasted so much money from all of the ones that we've tried previously and ended up getting rid of because of the cleaning aspect of it. It grows mold. It's too hard to clean. It ultimately did not function as what we needed until this Carepod One. The other thing is that there are no app or smart features. If you're used to smart home humidifiers, this is very basic, just physical buttons. And that was okay for us. My final verdict, would I buy it again? Honestly, 100 times yes. If keeping a humidifier clean matters to you, and as it should, this is one of the best designs that I have seen on the market available. Families that are have allergy-sensitive homes, anyone who is tired of moldy filter-based humidifiers will absolutely love the Carepod. If you want smart features or a budget option, you may want to look elsewhere. You can check the current price or to see today's deals. Amazon link is down below.